Hi, good afternoon, friends. Please join me with my short journey in Takanini. So I have to visit my general practitioner or doctor. So we are here at the Goodwood Drive. This Goodwood Drive ends at Redoubt Road. Goodwood Drive to Takanini, so that's about roughly about 6k. So we are now approaching at Redoubt Road, so we turn left here to go to motorway. It's a motorway 1. So we are now on Redoubt Road. Yeah, you can see in the signboard we are going to motorway 1. So that intersection is Redoubt Road and Everglade on the left hand side, and then Hollyford on the right hand side. So we're going straight to motorway. By the way, friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Make comment and like with this small video, or I mean short video. So maybe it took only about 7 minutes from here to Takanini, regardless there's no traffic, because now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 19th of December 2019. So this is the last week of schoolers, so hopefully there's no traffic on the motorway. So we just stay on this lane because we're turning left. So we're turning left here. So this motorway west is heading to airport. At this time we're going to Takanini, so we're gonna use this lane. Yeah, it's good, there's no traffic on the motorway. But the traffic lights still on. So the reason of this traffic light before the motorway is to lessen the incoming vehicles to motorway. Yeah, this is now motorway 1. This motorway 1 is all the way to South Island. But you will pass several suburbs or counties. You will pass Hamilton, you will pass Cambridge, and so on and so forth. This lane is heading to Takanini. This left lane is Manurewa, and this two lanes on the right is heading to south. So we just keep this lane until we get off or get off at Takanini off-road. So we left Manukau at the 2:05. Now we're nearly Takanini off-ramp. So the time now is 2:12. So that's about 7 minutes ago. Can't overtake to this truck or the trailer because we're turning left. So we just follow him. So maybe he's going to Takanini off-ramp as well. Takanini from this exit. Yeah, we are now on the exit Takanini. Takanini exit, rather. So from here to my GP or doctor. GP means general practitioner. So from here to their clinic is about 200 meters, or it's not too far away from here. This gateway Takanini, this new commercial complex, it has been built like 7 months ago. So this is a Takanini suburb. We live here since 1996 to year 2014. 2014 we moved to Manukau. We're not too far from my GP, so we just use this bicycle lane because we're turning left. Yeah, here. So we are now in my GP's clinic. Conifer Grove Medical Centre. That's the name. Yeah, this is my GP's clinic. Alright, friends, we arrived in our destination. So the time now is 2:16. So we left Manukau at 2:05. So that's about 9 minutes. Alright, thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe, comment, and like with this video, and we'll give you update. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas, and God bless you. Bye bye for now.